पुणे महाराष्ट्र आने वाले बीएमसी चुनावों के लिए पार्टी के घोषणा पत्र पर एनसीपी एससीपी विधायक रोहित पवार कहते हैं, इस घोषणा पत्र में हमने उन असली मुद्दों पर ध्यान दिया है जिनका सामना शहर के लोग कर रहे हैं, यानी लगातार पानी की सप्लाई, साफ पानी प्रदूषण।
The other issues what we have taken care of, that is, there's a big IT park in this area, and the roads which go to that area are not properly done, they are not properly maintained. Plus, the size of the road has to be increased. All those issues have been taken. Education has to is been catered. So we have taken all those issues what people have told us. And in last 25 years, except for last 9 years, Mr. Pawar, Mr. Ajit Dada, they both have continuously looked at this city and developed this city. What we can see today is just because of them and all the Karyakartas and people who had supported us. Now in last 9 years, nothing has happened in this city except corruption. So now the focus is to develop this city, what people have dreamt of, what we have dreamt of. So this fight is what people want versus the local BJP leaders have done a lot of corruption. There's a lot of wrong things which are happening in this city. So we have to finish all those things and bring this city on the development path.
Which promise have been given in the manifesto? Water,
Yes,
for the common people?
water, road, health, education, the buses and the metro traveling would be free for everyone. That would be taken care of by the budget of PCMC. Plus, if you look at it, there are other issues. What I said, this IT park, it needs certain development from the Mahanagarpalika. So we would be doing those so that the companies which are there now are thinking to go out of the state or out of this city, they won't go. So the employment won't be affected. As well as in health, we are talking about starting 100 small hospitals. Whereas in case of schools, we are talking about doing development in school, that is digital school plus focus would be on Marathi as well as English. So all these parameters are taken care of, and plus most important thing is to stop the controlled corruption which has been happening since last 9 years in all the sectors related to all government contracts. This will be stopped, and the money which is saved through stopping these pilferages would be used for common man benefit.